Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Hostinger plan supports changing server location. This is crucial because shared plans often cannot. Once confirmed, back up the site and database and keep one full archive offline. Open Hostinger Control Panel and sign in with your admin credentials. Make sure you can access domain settings and SSH if needed. Start the migration request or prepare to create a new instance in the target region. This is the first concrete step toward moving servers. Next, provision a new Hostinger server in the target region and choose the right OS, RAM, and storage based on traffic. Install web stack components, PHP, MySQL, SSL, matching versions to avoid compatibility issues. Export your database and prepare files for transfer. Use rsync or SFTP for efficient copying. Change DNS-TTL to a low value like 300 seconds so propagation is faster. Once done, test locally with host file, overrides to verify site behavior before making DNS changes globally. Finally, update the DNS records to point at the new server IP and keep TTL low so the change spreads quickly. Monitor the site, database connections, email delivery, and SSL certificates. Make sure cookies and sessions behave as expected. Once traffic stabilizes, raise TTL to normal values. If something goes wrong, check web and DB logs, verify firewall and port rules, and restore from the backup archive if needed. Make sure you clean up the old instance when the migration is confirmed successful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.